Kau laga lah? Laga. Kau ni ice cream.
Lain ke?
Ya, dalam video ada save. Okay, ya?
Okey.
Oh, ada rasa lauk.
Dah ke?
Dia boleh air ni.
Boleh tu. Alright.
Oh, ada raja.
Dah ke kau?
Raja, okey.
Saya
Nak kau air.
Rasa je. Nak kau dia benar.
Apa ada isi juga?
Sejuk.
Nak rasa? Dah belum.
Kunci dah lapar.
Ni mini fresh. Projek baru aku buat.
Oh.
Ya, aku rasa air dulu.
Sejuk ke?
Air ni sejuk.
Sejuk.
Baru buat. Dah.
Bila?
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Danish Haziq bin Muhammad Rizwan from Sultan Ahmad Shah Professional College, Ramping, Pahang. I am together with my friend Normally.
My name is Nur Khairi Christina binti Muhammad Faizul. My name is Amanda Kamila binti Abdul Salam. Product improvement process. This product is an improved version of the previous product by using a storage group, adding polystyrene to ensure heat retention, adding two thermoelectric temperature refrigeration cooling units. Uniqueness and advantage of the product. First, the innovative material is lightweight, easy to carry and attractive. Second, the battery can be recharged using solar energy. Third, the device is protected from damage caused by overcharging because it is controlled by a solar control. Research objective. First, to make it easier for hostel students to store cool water. Second, easy to use. Third, lightweight and easy to carry anywhere.
Introduction. Solar mini fresh is a important innovation product because it can maintain the coolness of drinking water during outdoor activity and also help hostel students to store or apply cool water. The weakness of a cooler board is that it always requires a large amount of ice cube for active cooling until the ice receive problem hostel occupied by a large number of students and after reaching limit set to cool water supply, it is worse than automatic condition and students require participate in outdoor and physical activities such as exercise, playing football and sport. Students need cool water to release this. Cool water is a frequent good option causing students to drink this water. How to produce the solar mini fresh? 1. Identify the problem. 2. Create speed and determine dimension. 3. Prepare material and sample the project. 4. Test the project result. 5. If unsuccessful, make improvement. After achieving success. 7. You must start the product innovation to the audience. 8. End.
Specification of the innovation product. This innovation product has a weight of 1 kg and a size of approximately 30 cm in length, 90 cm in width, and 80 cm in height. The material used to produce this device a rechargeable battery, 10 ampere solar controller, 80-watt solar panel, thermoelectric peltier refrigeration, cooling unit, digital LCD display thermometer, polystyrene and storage board. This is spicy. The initial temperature of the container was 27.9 degrees Celsius. After the solar mini fridge was turned on, the temperature decreased to 14.6 degrees Celsius. The initial voltage was 12.6 volt. After operating for 70 minutes, the voltage decreased to 8.0 volt. The temperature difference was 19.9 degrees Celsius. Assalamualaikum.